Today we're making homemade onion soup mix. Come on in, welcome to my home. Now this is a funny coincidental recipe. Here's what happened. I just did a recipe which you're going to see next week, uploaded it to YouTube, and suddenly I realized I didn't have one of the ingredients that I said that I had already made. I thought for certain I had made this video, but I didn't. But this is so easy. You know, for those times that you get asked for onion soup mix, but you're one of those people who wants to make your own everything, or if you just want to know what the ingredients are, this is so easy, so simple. Now remember, all the ingredients are listed down below in the description, and also they'll flash up on the screen here. Here's what you do. You start off with 3/4 of a cup of minced dried onion. To that, we are going to make sure that our granules, these are granules for bouillon. They're bouillon granules. Now, what I like to do all throughout this is chop everything up. Bouillon has a tendency to clump, but that's okay. Alright, let's get that out of the way. Next, I'm going to add onion powder. You're seeing now why the bouillon isn't going to clump that much, because when you add the onion powder to it, it will grab onto those bouillon granules and prevent the clumping. Then, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. The sugar is optional, you don't have to add the sugar. And 1/4 teaspoon of celery seed. Now we're going to do my handy dandy way of mixing things up. And that's it. That's all there is to making your own onion soup mix. Now you're saying to yourself, well, how much of this do I use? Really simple. You're going to use about 1/3 cup it will equal 1 packet of onion soup mix. 1/3 cup equals 1 packet of onion soup mix, and this is so good. You can use it in dips, you can use it in soups, you can use it in the upcoming recipe for next week. But this is so easy and so good to make. I think you're going to love this. Now if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at cmcolemanhome. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.